Hey guys, so today we're doing something a little different. Now, this is not an episode of VM Review, sadly, because because I only support like official operating systems, like ones like I only support like Windows operating system, Linux distributions. I'm just gonna say it like this is not an episode of VM Review. So today we're looking at Red Star OS. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's a it's an operating system from North Korea that Kim partially developed. You know, the man Kim Jong Un himself. Yeah, he developed that one. So here's the ISO that I got. It's version 2.0, and it looks a lot more like Mac OS. So we're gonna go with other because you can't recognize. So we're gonna go with other virtual machine name Red Star OS. 8 gigs. So we're gonna do that. Uh, I don't know what this is gonna do. It just displays this blinking underscore with nothing really on it. I'm just gonna wait for. Oh, oh! All right. We're booting, boys. Now, by the way, I tried to install Windows Chicago, which is the beta of Windows 95, and it got stuck on like an underscore laser. Maybe I just had to wait for a while before it boots up. Maybe I'll try that, but right now I'm excited. We're booting into this North Korean operating system that I don't know the language of. But hey, we're gonna try. So we start with this X cross. I have no idea what this says, sadly. So, well, I'm gonna go get I'm gonna go get my phone, and maybe I can use like Lens to translate all this stuff. And of course, it's gonna translate badly because this is just a bunch of crap on a screen. But we're gonna try it anyway. All right, couldn't get my phone working, so I'm using my iPad instead. So let's try to translate stuff. Red Star User System 2.0 version. Welcome to install. Next. And you can also press N, I think. You could also press N. I'm just gonna click that. Um, let's read. Unable to read partition information for device SDA. To create a new section of the server to be initialized. By installation, all data of the driver are erased. If you proceed with initialization, are you sure you want it? 23 no before the next end. I'm pretty sure this means yes, so we're gonna do that. Okay, let's see. Hard disk one. Okay, so we're just gonna. No. Uh, Next. What does that say? Let's try it. I have no idea what that says. Okay, it's not translating. Okay. The following errors have been occurred in the division organization. No compartment is itself through Red Star. Must be the okay. Sure. Okay, we're gonna try hard disk one. Next. Translate this error, please. Uh, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, what about this one? Should I put it up at all times? Driver SDA. Free space. Free space. Next. Okay, just gonna reset it. Should translate this thing here. Add phrase. Mounting site. What? What? File system. I'm pretty sure that's just SDA, whatever that is. Capacity. 8197. Start cylinder 1 and cylinder. Yeah, sure. Oh. The title bar just says oh. Please specify the valve code for this component. Sure. This person right with a check mark is supposed to be. I have no idea. Like, do I select boot? I think I select boot. I've never used a Linux device before. Breast milk? In compartmentalization, the following breast milk occurred. That's what it thinks it says. Okay. 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 Alright. I'm dead. I'm literally dead. Okay. Okay. Like, I'm having trouble with this one. And it's erase or reset. Yeah, I think we'll do this one. Reset. Yeah, sure. We'll reset. I think we just select it now. Translate error, please. Cannot be edited. Please like to be edited. I think so. I think this button works, but I have no idea. Do we just go us on? I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea what. Like, I have no idea what. Compressive breast milk. Jesus, I can't stop laughing at this. I think it says breast milk. Okay. Now my mouse is not moving. Lovely, just lovely. Now my mouse is not moving. Just lovely. Look, I'm moving the mouse. Now it's just not moving. Is that a punishment for making too many errors? Because knowing the North Korean government, I think that's what they would do. So I think you just have to wait for a while, and then just start to boot up. Hello? Yeah, okay, I'm going to sleep. Thank you very much. Okay, when you restart the system, it does this. Like, is this a punishment? Knowing the North Korean government, I think that's what they would do. Punish you for not selecting the government, like, a petition. So, yeah, this is a fail. Good night, homies, and I'll see you in the next video, I guess.